Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change YouTube channel name. YouTube content creators with the personal account and the brand channel can update the name displayed for their YouTube channel without altering the name on their Google account. Creators can make these channel name changes in YouTube Studio on a computer or through the YouTube mobile application. Why change your channel name and URL? Creators may want to change their channel name and URL for several reasons. First, to create better branding that is more memorable and recognizable. Second, to separate a professional or business YouTube identity from a personal account. Third, to make the channel name or URL easier to find and share. Fourth, to signal and shift in channel content or focus. And fifth, to create consistency with names or URLs on other platforms. While changing the channel name and URL can initially cause some disruption, overall, it allows creators to craft the perfect identity for their YouTube presence. To do so, open the YouTube mobile app, then tap your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select your channel. Then, click the pencil icon and click the pencil icon again on the next screen. From there, type in your channel name. After that, save your channel name. Click the checkmark icon in the top right corner. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.